Welcome to this Amazon Pharmacy review. Find links to everything mentioned down below. Amazon Pharmacy makes managing prescriptions easy, reliable, and affordable, all from home. Perfect for busy people, those with mobility issues, or anyone wanting simpler refills. It integrates directly with your Amazon account for a familiar, user-friendly experience. Signing up is easy. Transfer existing prescriptions, have your doctor send new ones, or let Amazon Pharmacy handle refills. It works with most insurance and offers transparent pricing. Prime members get exclusive savings with RxPass, offering a flat rate on common generics, a game changer for chronic conditions. The best part? Discreet, often free delivery right to your door. Track your order easily for peace of mind. The app is intuitive, and customer service is available 24/7. Licensed pharmacists review every order, prioritizing safety and accuracy. Manage all your prescriptions in one place, reducing missed doses. Plus, integrate with Alexa for medication reminders. While best for non-urgent needs, a same-day delivery isn't everywhere yet. Amazon Pharmacy is a reliable, cost-effective solution for maintenance medications. It simplifies prescriptions without sacrificing safety or quality, a truly modern healthcare option. Used Amazon Pharmacy? Plan to? Share your thoughts below. Check the description for helpful links.